Beneath the dramatic skies of southern China, a new empire is rising. Sprawling industrial complexes, cities in their own right, stretch further than the eye can see. These aren't just factories, they are the heart of a global manufacturing titan, churning out millions of vehicles for the global market. But hidden deep within the code and concrete of these mega factories is a $1 billion secret, a technological gambit so audacious it could rewrite the rules of manufacturing and change the future of cars forever. This isn't just about building cars anymore. It's about birthing a new industrial revolution, and the shockwaves are about to be felt across the entire planet. The secret is artificial intelligence. But this isn't the AI you interact with on your phone. Forget the chatbots and image generators. This is a physical industrial AI, a powerful intelligence that has been given the keys to the entire kingdom of production. Here, algorithms aren't just assisting humans, they are in command, orchestrating a symphony of robotic arms and autonomous vehicles. This AI runs not just a single assembly line, but entire cities dedicated to car production. It's a vast, digital central nervous system managing the global supply chain, optimizing the energy grid and directing autonomous logistics, creating a perfectly synchronized, self-sustaining ecosystem of manufacturing that operates 24/7. To truly grasp the magnitude of this leap, we have to journey back to where it all began. We need to understand the foundation upon which this new world is built. And I'm going to show you the stark difference, starting at the absolute ground floor, a $1 manual workshop, a world of grit, grease, and raw human labor where every single part is shaped and fitted by hand, a testament to human ingenuity, but also its inherent limits. From that world of manual toil, we'll leap into the present day, stepping inside a state-of-the-art $30 million AI factory. This is the current pinnacle of automation, a world of gleaming chrome and calculated efficiency. Here, robots and humans work side by side in a delicate, high-stakes dance, a hybrid model where human oversight still guides the automated workforce. But even that is just a stepping stone. Our final destination is the future, a future that is already a reality in China, the $1 billion AI car city. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete paradigm shift for industry. Throughout this journey, we will dissect the staggering differences in cost, speed, and quality at each of these three levels. We'll confront the difficult questions about the human cost. What happens to the millions of workers when the machines take over? And we'll uncover the grand strategic vision behind this monumental investment. Why is China betting $1 billion on a single automated city? The answer reveals not just the future of the automobile, but the future of global economic power. This is a story of ambition and disruption on a scale never seen before. Join me as we pull back the curtain on the most ambitious manufacturing project in human history. Let's start with the $1 factory. It's basically just a garage with a few workers tightening bolts by hand. Slow, inefficient, unsafe. Honestly, this feels like the past. Would this survive in today's AI race? Nope. Now, the $1 million factory. Here, AI has already replaced human workers in welding, painting, and assembly. Robots move with precision. Machines work non-stop. And get this, some of these lines can produce an electric car in under 2 hours, faster than a coffee break. But that's nothing compared to what comes next. Behold the future of manufacturing, rising from China's industrial heartland. Welcome to the $30 million AI mega plant. But its strategic value is immeasurable. This is more than an investment in steel. It's a declaration of technological ambition, where the digital and physical worlds merge into a single, intelligent entity. What you're seeing isn't just a factory, it's a key asset in the global economic race, a core piece of China's strategy to dominate the industries of the future. It's designed from the ground up to build the cars of tomorrow, not just with speed, but with an intelligence that was once science fiction. Inside lies the nerve center. This isn't just a control room, it's the conscious mind of the operation, processing a relentless torrent of data from millions of sensors. This isn't just a factory, it's a living system, and its lifeblood is data. Every robot and component is a node in a vast neural network. The AI makes thousands of micro decisions every second, optimizing energy use, rerouting materials, and adjusting robotic movements with infinitesimal precision. It's a digital hive mind, constantly learning from its own performance, singularly focused on achieving a state of perfect, frictionless efficiency. This intelligence extends far beyond the factory walls, managing a supply chain of staggering complexity. The AI orchestrates a global ballet of logistics, tracking thousands of parts from international suppliers. It models global weather patterns and port congestion to anticipate and mitigate delays before they can halt production. Its genius is also in quality control. High-resolution cameras act as the AI's eyes, scanning every surface with superhuman precision. But it also uses acoustic sensors to listen for minute flaws. The AI doesn't just find mistakes. It performs a digital root cause analysis, tracing the defect to its source and adjusting machinery to prevent it from happening again. It's a closed-loop system of continuous improvement. The entire facility hums with a rhythm dictated by the AI, which constantly listens to the factory's heartbeat through sensors on every machine. This is the revolutionary concept of predictive maintenance. The AI analyzes subtle vibrations, minute temperature fluctuations, and tiny deviations in energy consumption, data signatures that are precursors to mechanical failure. It can predict with startling accuracy that a specific bearing will fail in 72 hours. It doesn't just sound an alarm, it automatically orders the replacement part and schedules a maintenance window during a planned production pause. The result? Unplanned downtime, the billion-dollar bane of traditional manufacturing, is all but eliminated. The factory never unexpectedly stops. This creates a factory floor that moves with symphonic precision. It's a perfectly choreographed ballet of production, with an AI general commanding thousands of workers and robots in unison. But this is not a story of replacement. It's a story of empowerment. The AI handles the repetitive, physically demanding tasks, freeing its human counterparts to evolve into new, more valuable roles. They are no longer just line workers. They are process optimizers, data analysts, and AI trainers. They focus on complex problem-solving and oversight, collaborating directly with the AI through tablets and augmented reality interfaces to guide this intricate dance. And the craziest part? The agility. In a traditional plant, retooling for a new model takes months and costs a fortune. Here, it takes hours. This factory can switch from building SUVs to trucks with breathtaking speed, all thanks to artificial intelligence. The secret is its digital twin, a perfect virtual replica of the entire facility. Before a single physical robot moves, the AI runs thousands of scenarios in this digital realm to find the optimal new layout. Once confirmed, it sends new programming to modular robotic cells, which autonomously rearrange themselves. This is the ultimate competitive advantage, responding to market demands almost instantly. But it gets even bigger. The $100 million Design Labs. Here, AI doesn't just build cars, it creates them. AI models test aerodynamics in virtual wind tunnels, simulate crash safety, and even predict customer demand before the car even exists. It's like Tesla's future, but happening now at insane speed. And finally, the $1 billion AI-powered car city. This isn't just a factory, it's an entire city. A sprawling billion-dollar metropolis in China, built from the ground up for a single audacious purpose: to let artificial intelligence completely reinvent the automobile. Forget test tracks. This is a living laboratory, a fully functioning urban environment where the future of mobility is designed, built, and stress-tested in real time. Here, entire zones are governed by AI. At its heart is a colossal digital brain, a network of data centers processing exabytes of information every second. This AI is the city's central nervous system. It doesn't just design cars, it manages the city's power grid, orchestrates the flow of materials with perfect efficiency, and choreographs the logistics of a global supply chain. It is the all-seeing architect of a new automotive age. It all starts with design. Where creating a new car takes years, here, generative AI algorithms dream up thousands of viable designs in an afternoon. They aren't just iterating on old ideas, they are exploring a solution space no human team could cover. The AI runs millions of virtual simulations, testing for aerodynamics, crash safety, and material stress. But it also analyzes real-time market data and social media trends, optimizing for aesthetics. It learns, adapts, and evolves the perfect vehicle form, slashing development time and cost. From the digital blueprint, we move to the physical world. But you won't find thousands of workers. You'll find dark factories, vast automated spaces where AI-guided robots work 24/7 with inhuman precision. They assemble chassis, install powertrains, and paint body panels in a silent, choreographed dance. This process is mirrored in a digital twin a virtual replica where the AI can retool the entire line for a new model overnight. AI-powered computer vision scans every component, catching microscopic defects. The machines even predict their own failures and schedule maintenance, ensuring the line never stops. This extends to the most critical component, the battery. AI optimizes the entire process, from experimenting with virtual chemical compositions to precisely stacking cells, increasing energy density while slashing costs. But building the car is only half the battle. The real revolution is on the city's streets, the world's most advanced proving grounds. These aren't just cars driving themselves, they are nodes in a collective consciousness, a hive mind. When one car navigates an unexpected obstacle, it instantly uploads the experience to the central AI. The AI validates the lesson and disseminates it to every other car in the network within seconds. One car's experience becomes the instantaneous wisdom of the entire fleet. The city's infrastructure is part of this network, with sensors in the roads and traffic signals communicating directly with the cars. This is how you solve for infinite edge cases, turning 1,000,000 miles of testing into 1,000,000,000. It's an exponential learning curve traditional road testing can never match. This isn't science fiction. This is a vertically integrated reality. And it forces a critical question. If one ecosystem can design, build, and test cars faster, cheaper, and better than anyone else, what does that mean for the rest of the world? For a century, the heart of the auto industry beat in Detroit, a symbol of manufacturing might. Then software shifted the center of gravity to Silicon Valley, but both have always operated in their own worlds. Legacy automakers, with their rigid 5-year development cycles, struggle to become agile tech companies, and tech giants struggle with the life-or-death realities of mass manufacturing. China isn't just bridging that gap, it's erasing it. It's building a system where hardware and software, manufacturing and data, are born together, fully integrated from the first line of code to the final coat of paint. This total integration, backed by immense state investment, creates a powerful advantage. The AI doesn't just stop at the factory gate, it predicts market demand and manages global logistics. The question is no longer just about market share. When a single national system can design, build, test, and sell cars with this level of speed and intelligence, will it not only dominate the global auto industry, but define its future? Because the next great leap for the automobile might not come from Detroit or Silicon Valley, but from inside an AI-driven city in China. Comment below, do you think AI will give China complete control over the car industry? Or will the rest of the world catch up before it's too late?